Yes, we rented a condominium on the beach for a month, and it was around $3,300 for the month. And after the third day, I got really, really sick because of the mold, and I called the property management company and told them about it, and they refused to give us our money back. And I'm just wondering what you think about that.
Well, you have a situation to where you first have to establish that you didn't have any type of these symptoms before your exposure, and you actually have to establish that your current condition and your current symptoms were as a result and caused by being exposed to any type of mold issues or any type of issues that are related to the condo rental. It's a very tough case. You have a very low threshold. If you have no other damages and you're just trying to get your money back from this company, you could always try to file a claim in the small claims court of the county of where you rented this apartment or the condo and try to get your money back that way. On the flip side, if you're having long-term significant effects from this, and it may be too early to tell, but mold exposure is very, very serious and can cause significant damage to your organs, specifically your lungs, and have lifetime effects on you until the day that the Lord takes you home. So it's it's very serious. You need to get treated by it, but just being able to say, you were in the same room as mold, how long were you there? Did mold really exist? And a lot of experts have to be hired to establish that. So in order to get your $3,300 back to establish the mold, you're probably going to spend a lot more than $3,300 with experts proving that mold existed in the condominium and that you were actually exposed to it. And then you're going to have to jump all into your medical records post and subsequent to the exposure. And it's probably not going to be an easy and shut case for you. So, but if you have significant injuries subsequent to the exposure, where you're having trouble breathing, headaches, some of the symptoms that exposure will cause, well, then you need to look further and talk to an attorney who handles those type of cases.
And honestly, if you went and saw urgent care or your own family doctor, and they are documenting that you are having health issues because of the mold and you don't have prior similar issues, that is something where a lawyer can probably draft a letter to the property management company and help you out. But if you kind of got sick and didn't get any documentation from a doctor, don't have photos of the mold, and you don't have the proper evidence, like Chris said, it will be a very, very difficult case to prove.